So this is day 2 of working on the Bobcat engine. There's no compression on the 4-cylinder. We're going to try to figure out why. We pulled the engine. My dad's with me today. And we're going to try to figure out, get that piston out, see if we can figure out what's going on with that. So if you're interested, hang on, and it should be kind of an interesting ride. All right, so we're going to take this, the blower off. So I think we're going to have to pull these outside ones here.
Yeah.
And pull these off the flywheel here.
Yeah.
And then I think we'll see the bolts holding it on the back.
Yeah, the bolt, the flywheel. Here's this. That's half there.
All right. Yeah, those are kind of like giant sheet metal screws.
Yeah. I'm going to put this in. I'm just going to slide it in here for now. So it's out of the way.
I'm going to leave that top one on. All right, last one. Okay.
I don't know here.
Make sure we got everything. We do. And it's coming.
Yep.
Okay, just leave it right there.
Oh, where'd that come
It's kind of on pins. There it goes.
Well, it just barely comes, don't it?
Yeah. I don't think it's going to fit out.
No, it sure did. They didn't over.
Right. Try again. And it comes right up.
Should we just put it in here out of the way?
Yeah. Well, I'm going to pass that over here because we had clean under there anyway. Okay.
Now,
So let's take a look at this. So I think for here, got to pull these, right?
yeah, we're gonna almost get the flywheel off, though.
Why? Because I think the flywheel will fit through that.
Oh,
Yeah, I think the flywheel will fit through that.
well, whatever. If you
Okay.
think so. Usually, you always got to take the flywheel off.
I don't know. We should probably think about how oily it is down here and whether it needs a rear seal.
Yeah, see if we can get by with not buying a complete kit.
Yeah. So, well, let's get this off first.
Okay, but then, see, I don't know if you want this, sit in this chair here?
That's right. Okay.
Here, you,
I just got to grab an extension.
the starter has to come off from the front, you'd think.
It does. And there's a couple of bolts from the front too.
Yeah. And it, well, we got the bolts here too. I think the starter has to, bolts have to come off.
Okay.
Have you got a long extension on that one, for the starter bolts? Remember the old wires on that.
Let's see. Nope, there's another one. Hang on. All right, so we're just pulling the starter, the bolt here, a bolt here. There's one kind of up underneath. That I should have pulled first, but live and learn.
Huh?
Oh no, just talking to this one.
Rob, you're pretty good at this.
Yeah, it feels like you're just having to figure everything out as you go along, right?
Yeah.
Well, I do have some experience pulling engines from being a Subaru owner.
Yeah, if you can do that Subaru, you should be able to figure this out.
Okay, you ready?
Yep. Okay, next one. How about the other side?
All right. That clears things up a bit. All right. We got our flywheel.
That's a, oh, what the heck does it have a bearing in there
It's
for?
got a roller bearing in it.
Yeah, it doesn't need, it doesn't there.
Huh.
It looks like a flywheel that originally had a clutch, it was made for something else.
Yeah.
Yeah,
All right, so
well,
then we're not really,
no.
how much are we really attached to this back plate
Let's see,
then
are we
now?
on, we're not at the bottom, are we? So all we need to do then is take these bolts out and that could come out.
Well, actually, I think these two bolts are holding the engine to this plate, or
Yeah.
these bolts here.
Yeah, they all
So
are.
this plate isn't even connected.
Yeah.
to
And
the
this
engine.
is on the bottom here, so it'll come right out. So all we need to do is take these 4 bolts out and the plate will come out.
Right, but then the engine will be sitting on these two things, right?
Yeah.
Which are
And
fine,
then
I
we
guess.
can move the engine that way and maybe, I don't want to break that. but-
Well, what I'm saying is that if we take out this bolt, and this one,
Oh,
we're disconnected.
oh, that's right, we don't even need to,
We just need to have the flywheel off,
well, yeah, but
right?
it's open.
Because,
at the bottom. Oh, no, it ain't open.
right,
Yeah, just
the
say that.
flywheel won't fit
I
through.
usually end up having to take the flywheel off. Oh, it looks like a 12 point,
Yeah, it's 12 point.
what is it,
A half,
about
maybe?
I think I got a 12.9/16 in here, I did have. Yep, them are specials.
Hold on.
Now, which one might be heavy.
Okay.
Okay, what do we got? Yeah, this, does it look like it's been leaking much? You don't really look like. I don't.
I mean, by today's standards, yes, but by the engines of that time, no.
Okay. So then what we gotta do, like you say, yeah, you take them off, it should,
Okay, so we gotta get the engine hoist back on.
yeah,
Alright,
yeah.
so I think now we're disconnected from this back plate, and we've got this plate, and this one over here and over here, and so we're just gonna pull those bolts. We
Sure.
got it on the hoist, and we should be good. Alright, so if my theories are correct, we should be able to lift it out of that
Yeah.
carriage.
What's holding?
I think we're still holding a little bit here somewhere,
Yeah.
but it might just be stuck on, right?
Yeah, we're, yeah, there you go. Take that and bang it a little bit. It might, probably
Feels
got
like
a dowel pin.
It feels like it's holding right in here somewhere.
It may just be a dowel pin holding it. Just pry it.
Yeah, a pin on each side.
Should I go up just a little bit?
Yeah, go up a little bit. Okay. Okay, hang on. Oh! Okay, our oil drain is still connected.
Let's see.
Yeah, so we're still connected there.
Yeah, I think, yeah, let me get, I can't find any of my pressing wrenches, I got all kinds of them.
Okay. Disconnect this a little bit.
Then what we'll do is which side, maybe, oh, does that come off, or? That might be,
I just don't want to catch it on something if it comes off easily.
Yeah,
But it doesn't look like it.
I can't remember to forget to put that on. Okay. Now I'll slide it out a bit.
What?
I told you to use the same ones we use.
Well, do we have another little box?
What you should do is take them,
What?
take them catalytic converters you got and sell them.
Yeah, I know.
Get them out of here. Are the corner bolts different on that? Some fans are.
Okay, I think that's it.
You can see nothing in the bottom of the pan or.
Hold on. There's a gasket, or one for each side. It just broke.
Guess what?
The gasket, but
I'll save it in case.
yeah, it broke. Okay, just gonna leave that. What the hell is that?
Oh, that's what?
This.
Ooh, that's something to do with the,
Looks like a tensioner.
yeah, tensioner for the, but what the hell?
It's working. I mean,
Oh, okay, it's working.
yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Right, so we take it out.
Yeah, let's just turn it here. Where's the,
I got it.
here it is. Now, let's see, where are the,
What are we looking for?
I don't know, I just look, here, let me get my light and really look in there good. Number should be on the camshaft side. Hold it right there. This should say 4, yeah.
Where does it say that?
This should say 4 right there. But, well, we can take that piston. I don't see nothing wrong with the piston at all. Let's see if we got some broken rings. Do you have a, well, it's about a 11/16 or 3/4, I don't know what.
All right. 9/16.
Can't be 9/16. Oh, maybe it is.
9/16.
Okay, why don't you pull them 2 out?
Okay. And that goes in that box there.
This one we might want to just, oh,
I want to get all my tools over here.
okay,
Okay.
just. Oh, here, wait, something's. Just if you're real careful with the hammer, hit that bottom of that piston just a little bit. There, that's good. What the? I can't imagine why that's. Oh, hold it. That should. It's just kind of must be a little pressure on there to. There. How's the bearing? Look at that.
Yeah.
Just perfect.
All right. So we,
Now,
we
take
do-
and I'll put my hand under here and just here, turn it just a little bit so you can get to this.
Okay, you ready?
Oh, no, not that. I meant,
Oh, the crank.
yeah, just a little bit. Hold it right there. Now, can you take and just bounce it out a little here? You can, with the hammer handle, just a little bit, and I'll catch it here. go. Ooh, that did fall easy, didn't it?
Yeah?
A little more, just tap a little now there. There we go. Why did that fall so easy? The ring is seized right in there. Ooh, we gotta look at this a little closer. That's what's causing it.
And the piston looks okay?
I think and I hope so. They're very expensive.
Let's see.
Because one of the things is, the way these things are used, they're started up cold and,
Oh, the rings just fall out.
yeah,
They just fell out.
yeah, they broke.
Yeah.
See, is that the second ring or what ring is it that,
I think it's both the first. No, it's just the second ring.
huh?
First one doesn't look. No, the first one looks fine. And
I
then
bet you find the rest are perfect.
no, the bottom ring, the oil ring, that's messed up too.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we'll have to really look. I don't know, we might not want to tear the rest apart even.
Well, I don't know why we would. They had good compression, right?
Yeah.
Right. I mean, the other three.
One
Had,
set of rings cost about $20. I mean, one piston ring.
but I think the problem here is that it looks like the piston's broken. Come here and look. Right there.
I hope that's not a good shirt.
Oh.
Yes, the piston's bad.
Yeah. So we got to get a new piston, and new ring.
Yeah, yeah. Huh,
Well, we know what to do.
yeah, we know what's wrong. See,
Okay.
that thing was overhauled, and new pistons and everything. I don't know why.
Just 20 years ago.
Yeah, more than that.
Yeah.
But it don't have many miles on it.
Well, here it is, this piston. You can see that it's cracked. The area between the rings is all cracked and broken off. Have to get a new piston. This one's a oversized piston that we put in years ago, so we'll have to take that into account. But you can see that it looks like it's been broken for a long time, but probably the rings disintegrated. You can see this one's all busted up. The other one was broken into pieces, and that must have what caused it to all of a sudden start having all that blow by. But yeah, so
We should double check the cylinder wall again now.
yeah, we'll have to double check the cylinder wall. But I think that's it for today for this video. We're gonna order the parts and see if we can get this thing back up and running. I want to do it before winter because that's what I use it for. I use it for plowing. And so if you like the video, please hit like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.